See this piece of crap phone? First phone I ever got. So today, you're gonna break it. Alright? Let's go. Something fell off. That's the back of the battery thing. And here's the battery. We might want to leave that over there. And are you ready? Yeah, that's in half. Ooh. Oh yeah. See that memory chip in there? That's pretty nice. Oh yeah. Oh wait. That didn't do too much. Yeah. Look at that screen. It's all jacked up. Let's rub it. Oh wait, look at it now.
Wow.
Now. Don't.
Take a rock and smash the screen.
Alright, I get it. Whoa. I need a big rock. Pause it.
See, I can't.
Alright, I think that's right here. Holy crap, dude. Well, look at the screen. And if you look down there, you can see the rest of it. Almost dead. Well, electrocuted. Let's hope my parents don't find that. And there's a piece of gum to remember. And now, what we do with the screen is optional. What my option
We can put it in someone's mailbox. Watch out, a car!
Get wet. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And now, the remains go in the pipe. Wait.
That's pretty.
The other side.
Do you have like a hand or something to just destroy it with?
Now, the ceremony. Thank you for being a horrible first phone.